Hi everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick review of the GoGo Ultra X 3-wheel by Pride Mobility. It's model number S39, and you can get it in a 4-wheel configuration, but this video is going to be specifically about the 3-wheel version. Now, I do have the specification sheet here. I'm not going to go over all the specs. If you want to see the specs, I'll put them up at the end of this video. You can also click on the link in the description of this video to see full specs. And before I get started, I do want to mention two quick things. Number one, if you want a free product catalog, all you have to do is go to our website, www.mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I also want to say that if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you're automatically entered into our monthly giveaway raffle. We give away a free mobility scooter once a month to a random subscriber of our YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and you could be the next lucky winner, like the last few winners we're throwing on the screen for you now. Now, the GoGo Ultra X, it's made by Pride Mobility. In my opinion, one of the best manufacturing companies in the industry. They offer an industry-leading warranty and they include a 1-year repair contract for free, which speaks volume to their confidence in their build quality of all their products. So if anything goes wrong within the first year, as long as it's a warranty-approved claim, the manufacturer is dispatching a technician to your home to fix the issue. You don't need to go anywhere. It's awesome. So what makes the GoGo Ultra X special is that it has a very sporty look to it. Lots of sharp edges on the design. Contrary to the previous Ultra X version 1, the new Ultra X is black, all black. The previous version was all red, and the design had more rounded edges to it. It didn't have the premium white stitching on the seat with the mesh backrest. The mesh backrest is great, especially if you're in a hot state like Florida where we're at. It's breathable, and you won't sweat. It won't get sticky. If you're like me, I get a sweaty back when I start going out in the heat, and you know, it can be a problem. Your seat can start to smell. We don't want that. So with the mesh back, that's definitely one of the features that stands out about it. And with the GoGo Ultra X 3-wheel, when you take it apart, the heaviest piece is actually only 29 pounds, which is phenomenal. So if you can carry 29.5 pounds to be exact, this scooter is going to be great. You can take it apart, put it in the trunk of a car very easily, just like the 4-wheel version, which the heaviest piece is a little over 30 pounds on the 4-wheel version, but it's under 30 pounds on the 3-wheel version. And when you take it apart, it's super easy to do. And I'm going to show you how to take it apart. I'm going to take out the rear shopping basket first. We took it grocery shopping, and we have a video for that, by the way, which I'm going to put a little overlay on for you to get a sneak peek of. These models are great for grocery shopping. It does come with the front basket for free, but the rear basket isn't a paid accessory. So when you're getting ready to take the seat off, you just fold the backrest down. By the way, the seat rotates 360 degrees, and it locks into position in several positions, including backwards. So if you want to pull up to a dinner table and not have the handlebar in front of you, you'll have the best seat in the house. Not only that, the armrests flip up and they are width adjustable. All you have to do is take out these little pins, loosen up these knobs, and you can bring the armrests out and expand the distance between each armrest. Now, when I'm going to take the seat off, there's a couple things you want to do. You want to put one hand underneath in the front, one in the back, and pick straight up. Don't tilt in any direction when you're picking it up, or else it'll seem like it's stuck and it won't come out. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is grab the battery box by the handle. By the way, there is a charging port on the battery box. So if you want to bring the battery box inside to charge it while leaving the rest of your scooter in the trunk of your car, you could totally do that. Next step, pick up on the basket. There's nothing to it. 2 little rails, 2 hooks on the front. The hooks go underneath the rails and it locks it in. Next, I'm going to use the tilt adjustment knob, which is for this steering column to tilt it if you want to bring it closer to you or further away from you. you rotate this knob counterclockwise. Bring it all the way downtown. Not all the way to where it's resting like that. You want it right about there at a 90-degree angle. And then you tighten it, this knob right here, and now it's staying still. But when it's in the trunk of your car, you don't want this to happen. Your steering wheel swinging around like that when you're taking turns, and they thought of something for that. There's a little spring-loaded knob in the front. We're going to push it in, give it a quarter of a turn clockwise. Now it's locked. Keep in mind when you put your scooter back together again, you won't be able to turn if it's locked. Now, next thing we're going to do, we're going to put one hand on the seat post, one hand on the quick disconnect lever, pick up and push forward. Look at that. Heaviest piece, front, 29.5 pounds, super lightweight. Now, we've put these in the trunk of a very small car, even a Cadillac CTS, which has a super small trunk, fits perfectly fine. You might have to play a little Tetris if you have a Volkswagen Beetle, but if you have a cargo space in an SUV or a van, no problem. You might even be able to put two of these in a van. So we're going to come close with the camera now and show you how to put it back together. There's a pretty clever little system here. So if you look closely on the rear part of the frame, there's two green stickers on this tube, which is a part of the steel frame. And on the front, there's two green stickers that match on these hooks. So you line up the green stickers, put the hooks right over the bar in the back, and literally I'm just going to let go, and it clicks right into place. By the way, this lever right here, which is yellow, you can see the little sticker that says N for neutral and D for drive. It's a safety feature. If you want to push the unit manually, if you run out of batteries, you can put it into neutral, and now you can push the unit manually. But keep in mind, if you try to turn the unit on with the keys and it's not in drive mode, it won't work. It's just going to beep like crazy and it's super annoying. So don't do that. Now I'm going to put the scooter back together. I'm just going to loosen this rotation knob, which again is to adjust the tilt of the handlebar assembly, known as the tiller assembly. When it gets to about here, tighten it up. By the way, I want to show you something. Not only is there a tilt adjust knob, but remember we locked the steering wheel earlier? Look, I can't turn. Customers sometimes forget that this tiller lock needs to be unlocked. So you push it in, it's spring loaded, give it a quarter turn counterclockwise instead of clockwise. Now I can turn. One other thing, we showed you the charging port on the battery box. Guess what? There's one up high. So if you don't like bending over to plug in the charger, you don't have to. It's conveniently located up high on the tiller assembly. So that's it, folks. I mean, as you can imagine, we just now put the battery back in, put the seat back in, just line up that male connector with the seat post, and then rest it in there, level out the seat. It's going to fall right into place. Locked in. And we'll get the basket back on. Just line up the rails with the hooks, push straight down. That's all there is to it. Now on the three-wheel version, you are going to have more leg room and foot room. As you can see, there's no wheel wells like on the four-wheel version. So you can turn sharper. See that wheel cutting really, really aggressively to the left and right, and you've got more foot space. So if you've got big feet, long legs, three-wheel version is going to be better for you. Now, one thing I forgot to show you, on the seat posts, you can actually adjust the seat height. If you're not happy with the way the seat sits, you have a 2-inch height adjustment. Just pull this pin out. And you see that? You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes for height adjustment. So you choose the hole that works best for you. And again, you've got about a 2-inch height range to work with. So line up the holes. Make sure you've got the right hole that you think is going to be best for you. Put that pin back in. It's a quick release pin. And that's how you adjust the height of the seat. Now we're going to show you how the steering system works. Got 2 keys that come with it. One spare, simple key, and one that comes with a cap. Put the key in, turn it clockwise, your battery meter's on. Each light will turn off one at a time, starting with the green. And that's going to show you the charging state of your batteries. So what I recommend is when you first get the unit, if you buy it, you want to charge it overnight. After that, you can let it get down to the yellow and then start charging. You don't have to worry about charging if there's only one light missing. You definitely don't want to let it get to the red. Now there's what's known as a single-handed use steering throttle system. So if you want to go back, you use your right thumb, push back on that paddle, or push forward to go forward. Notice the left hand paddle's doing the opposite of what I do with the right. So as you can guess, I'm going to turn the speed down a little bit. That's a speed control limiter. It's a knob. So if you want to use your left, you push forward to go back, pull back to go forward. It's also sensitive to the touch. So if I barely push, it barely goes. If I pull all the way, it goes full speed, depending on where your speed limiter's at. Got a little horn buzzer right there. And that's really all there is to it, folks. It's got some nice ergonomic handles on it. And again, this is the GoGo Ultra X model S39 by Pride Mobility. We offer it for sale, tax-free, shipping is free on our website and in stores, mobilitydirect.com. We also include a free cup holder and a free arm bag. If you have any questions about it or any of our products, please give our non-commissioned sales experts a call. They'd love to answer any questions that you have. We'd love to earn your business. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube, search for Mobility Direct, and hit the subscribe button. You can also enable notifications. That way you get notified whenever we release new videos just like this one. Our YouTube channel is organized into convenient playlists ranging from repair videos, review videos, unboxing videos, and we're constantly making epic videos. So make sure you go on over to our YouTube channel, check out our videos, leave a comment if you have any questions. We reply to all of our comments. We would also appreciate it if you liked the video. And by the way, don't forget, you can claim a copy of our free catalog. Just go to our website and then click on the green button at the top of every page. Just fill out that short form. You'll get one in the mail within 2 weeks. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.